Hi, hello everyone. How are you today, students? Are you okay? Okay, oh, I am okay. I hope you are okay. This is a new English video for math subject. As you know, this is the last video for this semester at least, because the COVID situation is getting better. So next week we are going to be able to meet at the school. So for this week, I want you to get ready to make a test. Okay, next week. Okay, next week in the school we are having a test about unit number 1 and unit number 2. So today we are going to review the 5 questions of the test. I'm letting you know which statements we have, which activities, so you can be able to prepare and you will get at that way the highest score you can. Okay, now let's go to take a look in the test sheet. Okay, here we are with the test, and in this test, as you see, we have 2 pages. This is page number 1 with 3 exercises. Exercise number 1, vocabulary. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Okay. In the exercise number 2, we got to write the word in numbers and numbers in words. So as you see here, sometimes we have the number but we don't have the word, like these 2 exercises, or we have the word but we don't have the number, so we have to fill it. Exercise number 3, we have 2 parts of this exercise. Okay, we have actually addition and subtraction. Okay, also. Okay, because here we have additions. Okay, as you see, 1, 2, 3, and 4 additions. But in the back part of this sheet, we have also subtraction. So let's go there and take a look. I'm going to review with you shortly how to make these operations. Here we have, the subtraction. Okay, subtraction. 4 subtractions also. We are going to review how to do it, and you can refresh, you can brush up your knowledge. After, in the exercise number 4, we have mixed operation. We have 2 operations, number 1, number 2. Okay, as you see in these operations we have brackets because we have different operations mixed together, subtractions and additions. So here we have to develop the word and write the answer here down. Okay, after I'll give you more details. And with exercise number 5, the last one, okay, I want you to write the name of each number in this operation. There are 3 numbers in this operation. Okay, this, and this, and each number has a name that could be this, or this. Okay, if you don't remember, you can take a look in your book, and after I'll give you some tips. Okay, but now let's go back to the first sheet and let's talk about all the exercises in detail. Okay, first of all, in this exercise number 1, we have vocabulary. Okay, and let's read all the words and explain carefully. The first word is, read with me please, addition. Addition. Perfect. An addition is an operation where we are using this symbol. Okay, and I'll give you one example. Could be, for example, 15 plus 10. Okay, this is an addition, and we know because we are using this symbol. and we know that we have to add each number on their position. Okay, so what I want you to do is to write the meaning of this word in Thai language over here, in this case addition. So you can write gan alai no gan. Okay, you can write there. Okay, word number 2. Can you read with me, please? Subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, well done. So here we have the same. Okay, we have to do the same. We have to fill the gap here, writing in Thai the correct meaning of this word. Subtraction, as you know, we use this symbol, and there is an example here. Example 19 minus 7. Okay, as you know, in a subtraction, this number should be greater than this. We know that this is a subtraction because we are using this symbol, okay, minus symbol. So there's a word for this English vocabulary in Thai, and I want you to write it down here, okay? Yes, over the line. Word number 3, can you read with me, please? Multiplication. Multiplication. Okay, so for multiply we have this symbol, okay, an X, and we have learned how to multiply in these 2 units. For example, 24 multiplied by 2. You remember 2 multiplied by 4? Okay, this is a multiplication because we are using this symbol. Okay, perfect. Now next word, division. Can you read with me, please? Division. Division. Perfect. Okay, so as you know, when we use a division, we use normally this symbol. This symbol. Okay, and we have the horizontal form to write it. That is just, for example, 12 divided by 6, or this other form that is 12 dividing 6. Okay, this is a division because we are using this symbol. So if you know what is the Thai word for division, just write it here. And now we have another 2 words. Okay, this word is, can you read with me, please? Product. Product. Perfect. Okay, the product has many meanings in English, but for this time I want you to be focused on math vocabulary. Okay, the vocabulary that we have learned together in these 2 units. And as you know, a product is the result of a multiplication, okay, or the answer of a multiplication. I'll give you one example. For example, if we do 12 multiplied by 2, okay, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2 multiplied by 1, 2. So 24 is the product of this multiplication. Okay, the product of, or the answer of the multiplication. Perfect. And the last word is, can you read with me, please? Sum. Sum. Good. Okay, sum is the same but with addition. Okay, for example, 31 plus 13 equals 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. 44 is the sum of this subtraction, addition. Okay, so how you say that in Thai? You can write it here, okay, in this line. Perfect. So we have reviewed all the words in the vocabulary part. Now let's go with number 2. As I told you before, here we have 2 columns, numbers and words. Okay, we have the same concept but different writing. For example, 1 and 1. Okay, it's the same, but the difference is this is words and this is numbers. Okay, so I want you to write, for example, here we have a number, but we don't have a word. So you have to fill here what is the word for this number. Okay, so you, as you read, you write, for example, 9. So 9, and then what position is this? 100, right? 900. Okay, 941. Okay, this is how you have to do it. And the same in the opposite direction. Here, for example, we have the word 12,721, but we don't have the number. So 12,000. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Fill the gaps that are missing. Let's continue now. We have additions. Okay, additions. This time could be with carrying or without carrying. Okay, for example, this is carrying. When we have one place, and when we add, we get more than 10. For example, or 10. This is an example. Okay, 6 plus 3 equals 9. So we don't have carrying. Okay, but sometimes we are going to get carrying. For example, here 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now what should we do? Should we write like this? No, so we have to carry this number 1 in the top of the next place, that is 10th place. Okay, so now we can continue with addition. 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, and this is how to do additions with carrying and without carrying. Now we continue page number 2. The same with subtractions. Okay, subtractions. Sometimes we will have to regroup or not. For example, with no regrouping, we have this example. No regrouping, this is really easy. For example, 7 minus 6 equals 1. So that's easy. Okay, 0 minus 2, easy. 8 minus 8, easy. Okay, but sometimes we'll get this problem, that is the number on the top is less than the number below. So what should we do? 5 minus 6, we cannot do it, so we borrow from number 7, that becomes in 6, and we regroup number 5 into 15. So now 15 minus 6 equals 9. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, and you can continue with the subtraction. Okay, next we have mixed operation. Mixed operation means that in the same number sentence we got two different operations. In this case, subtraction and addition. Okay, how to solve it? As you see here, we have brackets. This is a bracket. Okay, bracket, bracket, open bracket, closing bracket. So first we have to solve the operation inside the brackets. Okay, so the word you have to do is first the operation inside the brackets, that in this case is 87,139 minus 1,341. Okay, don't forget to write the numbers in the same place, or also in vertical form. Okay, see 9 1, 1's place, 4 and 3, 10's place, 3 and 1, 100's place. Okay, and now you develop the answer, so then you can write again one more time the answer here. But this is not the final answer, huh? Take care, because now this is the first operation, and after we have an addition. So basically we take this number, we write in addition form, and we add to number 23,919. And now, yes, the final answer we write down over here. Okay, two operation, one final answer. The same here. In this case, we have to do first the addition, Okay, 3,723 plus 14,921. The answer, okay, we have to make a subtraction with this number. Minus, and the final answer we write down over here. And exercise number 5, here we have, as I told you before, 3 numbers and 3 names. So we have to guess which name goes in each place. Okay, this is not right, this is just an example. You have to write the correct names in the correct place, okay, who corresponds with the truth. If you don't remember this, you can go to your book and check the answers, so you can study, you can memorize, and you will make a perfect test the next week in the school. So yeah, that's all. Okay, that's all for today. Please get ready for the test, because I want you all to get the highest score. The full score for this test is 10 points. Okay, so I want you all to get at least 9 or 10. Okay, have a good week and see you next week at the school. That's all for today. Bye bye.